Hey guys, Owen Brown here. Today we're back with another unboxing video, and we got another Clone Trooper Battle Pack, set number 75359. It's another battle pack that has different Clone Troopers. I believe there are the I think 332 Clone Troopers. Plus they like a Clone Captain Vingen. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but that doesn't matter. Well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, let's just get with the unboxing. Here what the set look like. There's only 4 Clone Troopers. Here we got like this spaceship thingy, which I don't know what was it called. You can only fit 2 people in there, and there's any flyers like this. Same thing with the other one. Next we have these 2 Clone Troopers with jetpacks. Come with this thing that also fires. Oh, it's a little stuck. Yeah. And guys, this is what it looks like unbox. This has been Owen Brown here, and I'll see you next video. Oh, by the way, you should make sure you subscribe, like, and I'll see you next video. See ya.